sitting out there.
Wait, what?
Asher's just leaving, yeah.
Well, we aren't leaving, guys. Hey, we got to talk about what we're doing here. What are we doing here, guys?
Painting stuff.
Painting a sawhorse. What is the sawhorse for?
Building stuff.
Sawing horses.
Tsunami. Okay. We got a tsunami guy over here. So what do we need these sawhorses for, guys?
Hold the tsunami up, that way we can get all ready.
Tail section of tsunami, right? Okay, so what are you guys doing over here, Peter
We're
and
kind of
Ethan?
fabric shapes.
Okay. What are you going to do with this?
I forget what we're doing. I think it's for license stuff or something like that.
For the Piper Colt.
Yeah.
Okay. And you're helping him, aren't you, Ethan?
John mainly supervising.
Ah, okay. And in the background of you guys, what's it in the background?
That's part of
Tsunami.
the
Tsunami.
Ah,
I really want to see this thing fly.
okay. Have you guys watched the video on it yet?
No.
There is a video on YouTube with it.
Really?
Yes, there is. And what do we have over here, guys? Who wants to tell me what this aircraft is? Asher, what is this aircraft we're working on?
Piper Colt.
Okay. What are they doing back here?
Putting on the vertical the horizontal stabilizer.
Ah. So, John, what are you trying to do over here?
We're putting on an inspection plate for the horizontal stabilizer.
All right. As you can see, guys, we're busy in the shop this morning with all of our guys,
Try to make this even.
but we need some help to finish off our Piper Colt.
You gotta figure out how.
Wally has assembled over here our seat. Wally, you want to talk about our seat over here and what we need? We have two seats that look like this, and we need to get them upholstered, don't we, Wally?
Yes, we do.
How much is it going to cost us to upholster this seat? Probably about $750.
I believe so.
Okay, so if you guys can help out and donate some money towards us to get this seat going so we can get this aircraft up and flying, we'd appreciate it. Anyhow, stop by next Tuesday and we'll give you another tour of the shop.